Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. If you find yourself inspired, join my channel. Those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. Today I am giving you an update on my beautiful striped knit cowl that I am making from a pickle jar yarn kit that I purchased from Aberdeen's Wool and Tangled Poets. This is actually a collaboration that I'm doing along with my Yarny Bestie Pricilla at Distinctively Handcrafted. And we are combining actually a couple of things that we have been doing. So initially, I purchased a jar and also purchased one and gifted it to Priscilla. And she came up with a beautiful idea for us to work on a project together. And that was our beautiful bias scarf. We have since completed our bias scarf projects, each of us in a little bit different way. If you haven't seen that yet, please go and check out Priscilla's videos. She did a video every day shorts version and just did a beautiful job on her awesome bias scarf. And I did updates on mine as I was going along. So there is a little bit of a difference, but both of them are beautiful and hopefully will inspire each and every one of you guys. Now, with the second half that we are doing, Priscilla did an awesome thing. She went ahead and filled up her pickle jar again and is now working on an awesome knit striped cowl, which was a recipe that was included in the pickle jar yarn kit. And I am continuing on with the beautiful hand-dyed yarns from my original pickle jar yarn kit as I work on my beautiful knit striped cowl. So it is awesome. I'm really enjoying it and I am inspired. So today is Tuesday and I just decided to triple it up. So I'm going to give you an update on 3 different mini hanks that I put together. Okay, so hold on for a moment. I am back. And yes, I did 3 different stripes. So I'm giving you an update on not 2, but 3 today. And I do think that the colors that I chose this time for the mini skeins came in pretty well. Okay, so let's take a look in real time. So as you see, I started out here with this beautiful green, but the green had bits of kind of a purple in it. I then went to this next one, which also continued with green, but in a different hue of green. And then it also included more purples, but also more lighter colors. So it kind of brought it out even more. But it still, I think, blended very well. And then I found this beautiful hank here And this one has more of your purples in it, but it also is bringing in some yellows. So we shall see what I decide to choose next out of my beautiful pickle jar. And that's what I have remaining. Okay. All right. So this is a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying it. Thank you so much, Priscilla, for suggesting us to work on the project together, which is how we started out with the beautiful bias scarf recipe. And now we're doing this one. And I do think that it's very inspiring. And I'm just so forever grateful. I hope that you guys are enjoying the series that we are doing. And as I see, we have some awesome Yarny friends and content creators, in addition to subscribers who have jumped on board and participated and just started to show us some beautiful, beautiful makes. So I'm going to do a shout out to the content creators that are currently working on projects as we go. And please check out my playlist for the previous ones that I have shown you guys for the subscribers as well as the content creators, because they are just doing some beautiful, beautiful work. But the first channel that I'm going to shout out today is none other than our beautiful friend Pamela over at Pamela's Crochet and Knit Corner. Pamela is just awesome, just multi-talented, and she crochets, but she says she knits a bit. I disagree. She knits beautifully. I love her work, and it is just exquisite and awesome. All right. So please go and check her out. Pamela purchased a pickle jar yarn kit herself, and she is on her way to make the most beautiful bias scarf. So please check it out on her community page and see what she is up to and how she decided to put the colors together for her beautiful bias knit scarf. All right, please check it out. Next, we have Dana over at Creatively Created Crochet. Dana is just phenomenal also and multi-talented, and she just loves doing lots and lots of different crafts. So, of course, she crochets, but she does a lot more than that. And for this project, she gathered together some beautiful sock weight yarn that was in her inventory, and she is making an awesome lace knit shawl. It is beautiful. So please go and check her out. All right. So next we have the beautiful Z over at Zelda NRJ3. Z decided to come on board, and wow, she put together a beautiful pickle jar of her own, and the yarns that she chose and the colors are just awesome. And she is making a beautiful knit cowl, I'm sorry, crocheted cowl. And it is just beautiful. So please go and check it out. All right. All of you guys, thank you so much for cheering us on. Some of you have indicated that you also have these pickle jars. And you know what? Hopefully, what we're doing can help to spark some inspiration. And again, even if you don't do the projects that we're doing, just hopefully it will spark some inspiration and help you decide what you want to do, either with your pickle jar yarn kit or with some yarn that you have in your stash. All right. So, yes, please come on board. In addition to doing the pickle jar yarn kit, these projects also double as an awesome collaboration that I'm also doing with my Yarny Bestie Pricilla over at Distinctively Handcrafted, and that is the Socks Not Socks Challenge. Yes, the Socks Not Socks Challenge is something that we came up with, and it's a way for you to use your beautiful sock weight yarn that you may have in your inventory and decide to make something that's just not socks. All right. And it could be anything. So it could be a small project, it could be a medium project, it could be a large project. It doesn't matter. The whole idea is to just be inspired to use your sock weight yarn. All right. And so, of course, because the yarn that came in our pickle jar yarn kit is sock weight yarn, it does qualify not only for the pickle jar yarn challenge, but also for the Socks Not Socks challenge. So, yes, be inspired, guys. Please consider making something for any of these projects. And if you don't want to upload it, please feel free to share what you have made either with me or with Pricilla over at Distinctively Handcrafted. And we will be happy to share your work, with your permission, of course, on our channels so that others can see your work and be inspired. Okay? All right, so that's all I have for this portion. Let's go ahead and take a look at the puzzle solution for the last video that included a puzzle. And this is what I came up with. And this is a puzzle for today. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for giving me a thumbs up, for leaving me very kind comments. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys for all your well wishes and your prayers. It really does go a long way. I need it, and as we all need it from time to time. And I think that there is strength in numbers. So thank you. All right. So I'm going to continue to work on my cowl. I'm going to try to do as many each day as I can, and I will definitely update you guys. So we shall see if I'm able to finish it before the month is out. But that is my goal. So we shall see. All right. So that's all I have for now. To each and every one of you, do everything you can to be mindful. Do everything you can to be at your best health. And by all means, guys, be crafty every day. Be inspired and be inspiring. Share your gifts, all right? We all need an inspiration, and hopefully what we are doing is inspiring to you, okay? So until my next video or one of yours, I look forward to seeing you guys soon, okay? Bye-bye now.